What's this long wiggly blue space?
That's the Atlantic Ocean. It sits between the Americas and Europe and Africa.
That's a big swim!
The Arctic Ocean floats at the top of the world, and Southern Ocean dances around Antarctica.
So 5 oceans. I need more toes to count them all. Mama, tell me about continent of America.
Hello kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever dreamed of diving into oceans or stomping across giant continents with magic boots? Then grab your explorer hats, cause we're about to pick and point our way around the world like pros. Let me know if you'd like a versie.
What's this long wiggly blue space?
That's the Atlantic Ocean. It sits between the Americas and Europe and Africa.
That's a big swim!
Oh yes. And on the other side of the Americas? The Pacific Ocean, even bigger. The Indian Ocean hugs Asia and Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in terms of land area, but it is the 6th largest country in the world. The continent is famous for its iconic landscapes and a wide variety of unique wildlife. The Indigenous people of Australia have a rich and ancient culture that has been shaped by the continent's unique environment. Asia is the largest and most populous continent, covering 1/3 of the world's land area and home to over 4.5 billion people. It is known for its rich history and diverse cultures. The continent is also home to a wide range of landscapes and ecosystems, making it a fascinating and important part of the world. The Arctic Ocean floats at the top of the world, and Southern Ocean dances around Antarctica. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent and the coldest and driest place on Earth, with temperatures that can drop below -80 degrees Celsius. It is covered in ice that averages 1.9 kilometers thick and holds 70% of the world's freshwater. Despite its extreme conditions, it is home to a wide variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and whales.
So 5 oceans. I need more toes to count them all. Mama, tell me about continent of America.
The American continent is divided into 2 large land masses, North America and South America. North America is known for its diverse geography as well as its economy and rich history. South America is famous for its vibrant cultures, colorful cities, and diverse ecosystems. North America is where we live, and South America has rainforests and llamas.
Asia's the biggest one, right?
Yup. And Europe is just to the west of Asia, almost like it's holding hands. Europe is the 2nd smallest continent in terms of land area, but it is the most densely populated, with over 700 million people. It is known for its rich history, cultural diversity, and iconic landmarks. It is home to a diverse range of languages, cuisines, and traditions, making it a fascinating and important part of the world. Africa is the 2nd largest continent, known for its vast and diverse landscapes, from the Sahara Desert to the rainforests of Central Africa. The continent is also known for its wildlife, with the savannas of East Africa being home to iconic species, making Africa an important and unique part of the world.
So if continents were people, some would be neighbors and some would be waving from across the sea.
Exactly. Earth's like a family with oceans keeping everyone connected.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which of the following is not one of the 7 continents? Option A, Australia. Option B, Greenland. Think about land masses that are continents, not just large islands. Option B is correct. Greenland is not a continent. If you start in South America and travel east across the Atlantic Ocean, which continent will you reach next? Option A, Africa. Option B, Australia. Excellent. Option A is correct. Africa is the continent where you'll find the Sahara Desert and the Nile River. Which picture shows the continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere? Option A, a map with North America. Option B, a map with Australia. Good job! Option B is correct. Australia is known for kangaroos and the Great Barrier Reef. The Indian Ocean is located between Africa, Asia, and Australia. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. There are more continents than oceans on Earth. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be following secret symbols and treasure trails. Stay tuned for some maptastic fun. Until then, keep your eyes peeled for hidden signs and mysterious marks. See you on the next big adventure. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.